Why are you so cute? You don't know? You don't know? How did mom get all that stuff in your hair? Oh my god, you're so cute! Yeah, who's my little cutie? Back at this awesome park, enjoying some air and green space. Coconut break. What's your favorite thing to do now? Drop stuff into water? Whoop! Some. Stop it. Stop it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it! Throw it!
Throw it!
I only have one, I can't throw it, it's too valuable.
Here.
Oh! Oh!
Bye-bye.
Oh! Super fun little park play. Now we gotta find some food. She's getting a little hangry.
Who, me?
Yeah, both of them. Guys, we're at Sen Tay Ho, a buffet we've always wanted to try out here in the Westlake area of Hanoi. I am super excited.
Let's do this.
Yeah. Hanoi's back. So far this place looks amazing.
This place looks amazing.
We haven't even gotten to the table yet. Oh my goodness. See, that's a personal hand towel. You roll it out. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so apparently there's two sections here that you can go in the restaurant. The international section with international food, or the Hanoi section, which apparently is where we're at and has more food. I don't know. We'll check it out. Somebody's already digging in.
What is this?
Shrimp crackers.
Are you sure?
And the table gets some crab. Oh, there's prawns in there. There's snails in there. We'll do the snail thing again tonight, guys. Wish me luck.
I'm going to scope out the other side to see what's happening over there.
Okay. Alright guys, we're starting on the far side so we can see everything. Oh my god though, I'm way too excited. Caitlin's excited because there's sushi. Salad station, looks amazing. I'm gonna skip it all. Whoa, a full-on dessert che station. That's that sweet bean and pudding, sticky stuff, Asian dessert, Vietnamese che. Sushi, guys. Lots of sushi. Dang, that's a big plate of salad. What are you?
For someone with a weak stomach, I have no
Yo, what are you? That's
What's my favorite? There's papaya salad, mango salad, and banana blossom salad.
dice roll and stomach filler. I'll help you with that.
A buri sushi.
Whoa, a buri sushi. Nice. Oysters on a half shell. Cold prawns. Sashimi. Wow, fresh fruit section. Pasta, some cheesy stuff right there as well. It's crazy, we got like a little benseo section too. Fresh fried. All right, I'm gonna try this daikon salad out. Guy. Oh yeah. Spicy. Banana blossom. Tasty. A buri sushi, which is sushi that has been flame seared with a little bit of charcoal smoke. Very interested in this. Pretty good for a buffet. The rice is a little hard, the fish is a little overdone, but what are you gonna do, right? It's a buffet. Tasty. I just had this. This is the pho kuong. Caitlin says it's pretty tasty. Really good? Alright, we're going for a mixed match of stuff right here.
Chicken wings?
Chicken wings, definitely. Maybe one piece of fried fish, we'll share it. Nem chua, fermented fried pork, one piece. Crocodile meat, I need one of those.
Okay. I'll try one too.
Okay. Frog meat. Put one on for me. You never had frog before?
Okay, I'll have some.
Just tastes like chicken. Salmon skin? I don't need one. I don't like these prawns at all. The mantis prawns, no. Small little salted crabs, put a couple on there.
A couple?
I'll have two. Ooh, bitter melon soup, I love this. Sweet and sour pork. Definitely gotta get a pork in there. Breaded squid with tamarind sauce. Everything looks really red here. I'm sorry guys, it's lighting. Heat lamps. Fried dumpling. Pretty blown away with the selection right now. Don't know why we haven't come here yet. Which is a fried ban bao bun. Super plain. Try one of these mini crabs. Just tastes like a crab chip. Crunchy, crispy, tasty.
Chicken wing is delicious.
Chicken wing, sticky, crispy, tasty. Tamarind fried squid.
Just give her something to
It's a buffet, so it's probably been sitting there a while. It's overdone, it's really chewy. What can I say? Guys, we're gonna do frogs now. Definitely a frog leg right here for Kate. And I got a piece too.
This is my first time eating frogs, so I'm really nervous. See, here's the thing with me and foods that I'm not used to eating. The taste is good, but because I know it's frog, I don't like it.
Super reasonable. Everyone else has never had frog before. You couldn't even tell it's frog. It tastes like chicken. Seriously. Crocodile?
What are you doing? Are you flirting? Not ready?
I don't know if I got a meaty piece, but it kind of tastes like the fatty part of a chicken, but chickenish. Nem chua, this is like a fermented pork that's been deep fried. You can get it in Hanoi, like street food Hanoi styles. Pretty popular. I've definitely had better street side. They're crispier, they're hotter. This one, buffet, like I said. Just over there munching away, happy as a clam. Caitlin got some buffet style bum cha. I don't know, I just had some of this at the best place in Hanoi. We'll see how this one stacks up. Super decent for an all-you-can-eat buffet. I would hit that up. Tasty.
The Caitlin things. This bun cha is so good. I don't even care what you say.
I don't care what you say. I see a cheesy pasta. I gotta have some. I mean, it doesn't matter where you are. Who can resist this? Not me. That's a standard spaghetti bolognese too with the melted cheese. Can't complain there. tasty. All right, this is my plate this round. I got some bò la lợn, which is beef wrapped in the baytail leaf, chai yaw or nem, the spring rolls, some sort of like fried wonton thing, I'm not sure. And then another Hanoi specialty, bánh tôm, which is like a fritter with prawn in it, a crab soup, and this is bò sut bang, which is wine sauce beef. And if you remember, we tried this once and it was the most terrible thing that we had, but this looks more like the beef stew that I'm used to seeing. And for that, instead of a baguette, I got a, it looks like a cheesy croissant. Going with the spring roll first, the chai yaw or the nem. Really good flavor to it. Could be hotter, could be crispier, but it's a buffet, so I'm not gonna fault that, but it's tasty. Crispy fried wonton thingy. Oh yeah. Pork, glass noodles, winter mushrooms, really tasty, super crispy. Love it. Bánh tôm, which is a fritter with a little prawn on it, Hanoi specialty. Really good actually. Yeah. One of the better ones I had. The prawn is a big prawn, not like one of those tiny little ones. And the fritter is actually really nice and fluffy, but crispy on the outside. I like it. Wow, one of the better ones I've had. All right, I love this dish. My mom makes it really good. Last time I had it here, terrible. Let's see what this is like. Yeah. Sauce, way better. I think Southerners would call it bò kho, and in the North they call it bò sut bang, but the taste is way better. It's just our version of a beef stew, really deep with tomato, beef flavor, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, stewed for a long time. Let's try the meat. This meat, if done right, should be like so tender and pull apart. You on dessert already?
No, I'm doing chicken wings for dessert.
Caitlin's on dessert already.
Yeah, but he does sweet and he's done. I do sweet and I can go back to normal.
You're doing chicken wings, a plate of chicken wings, and a plate of dessert. Look at this.
I have no idea what it is.
Back to the beef.
Here, Summer.
Tender, tender, tender. Let's try this out. I love these. Really good. Good flavor on the beef, really smoky. Sometimes you get them and they're like medium rare, and obviously they shouldn't be with minced beef, but this one, well done in the middle, crispy on the outside, very tasty. Yeah. All right, let's try this crab soup. My mom makes a crab soup, and we only have it for Christmas for some reason, so I call it Christmas soup.
I've heard that story like 16 times.
16 in 5 years, 6 years, that's a good ratio.
We've been together for 7 years.
Good crab flavor, too much cornstarch, it's very gelatinous. Wow, look at the variety of snails that they have here. Mussels over there too. Calamari, some other snails, clams right there. Some sort of bugs here, guys. Some sticky rice selections. I don't know, I just got so many different types of snails here. We'll just see what's up. Twist the shell, twist the shell, twist the shell. Twist the shell, twist the, oh.
Great technique.
Sorry guys. Standard. Not a big sauce flavor. Snail tastes good. Chewy, but not too chewy.
Summer, do you want to try a snail?
Twisting the shell, twisting the shell. Oh, I got this, twisting the shell. Ah, sorry guys, sorry guys. Same. Did I just eat the same one? I don't know what the sauce is. We're moving on to sticky rice and chicken. Oh yeah. Sitting on the warmer, so it's good, so good. Fried shallots, chicken is tender, sticky rice is good. That sauce, amazing. Yes. Guys, you think Caitlin will eat this?
Absolutely no way. Not for the vlog, not for anyone. No. No. You moving it doesn't make me want it anymore.
Unknown larvae bug going down. The texture is like biting into like a big fava bean or something like that. It's like granular a little bit. And the taste, it's like biting into a bouillon cube. It's just pure granular salt. Yeah, that's what it tastes like. A chicken bouillon. Not beef bouillon, chicken bouillon. Alright, you little benseo. I've only had one decent one in all of Hanoi. Let's open it up. Filled with pork and tiny little prawns.
I think today on the side of the road I saw a lady with bigger one. She was cutting it and putting it into a bowl. This is probably because
That's a pass. She's getting fed so much by Hanoi right now. Happy as a clam. Caitlin's third plate of dessert.
It's not my
She got a little chai, a little creme brulee, a little tiramisu thingy. Oh my god, guys, on the way out, I'm full and I just discovered they have a grill station that I totally missed. Super amazing experience. Sen Tay Ho.
so good. I definitely want to go back, but I want to try it out during the day, like go for a coffee, because the grounds are so nice.
Yeah, really cool entertainment and everything too. Oh my god, so much food selection. I was overwhelmed.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Hanoi picked up the tab, so I'm not sure what it was. I think it's like 400K per person. Super reasonable.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching.
See you tomorrow. Sunday fun day.
This has been Pho Your Eyes Only.